Hi guys, this is Nicole. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm preparing Japanese style hamburger steak. So please stay with me to see the ingredients and the way to prepare it. To prepare the Japanese style hambagu hamburger steak, I am going to use 1 kilogram of minced meat. You can use only beef, even though the Japanese way is to mix beef with pork, the ratio being like 2:1 beef to pork. But if you don't eat pork like me, use only beef or beef mixed with some chicken. Today I have here 1 kilogram of beef, to which I'm going to add 2 diced onions sauteed in 2 tablespoons of oil and completely cooled down, 2 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Around 50 grams of panko, Japanese breadcrumbs, and 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to mix this very well. When all is well mixed, I'm going to start forming patties by picking up an amount. The size of the patties is up to you, depending on how big you want to make your burgers. This is an important step. Now we are going to put them on a tray. I have finished forming the patties, and now I'm going to cover them and let them rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. After at least 30 minutes of chilling the burger patties, I took them out of the fridge. And now in a frying pan, I am heating up some oil. To fry the patties, I'm going to press a little in the middle so the burgers won't burst open while cooking. Because I have a big amount of burger patties, I'm going to use a larger frying pan. Don't forget to press a little bit in the middle. I'm going to turn them. And cover them for a little while. Usually I will take the burgers out after I made sure that they are well done and prepare the sauce. But today, because I didn't have any fat meat, I am going to cook the sauce while the burgers are still inside. So for that, I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of butter, This sauce I'm going to show you today, it's one of the many versions of sauce that these Japanese burgers are eaten with. And now I'm going to add some beef broth and some tonkatsu sauce and ketchup in equal amounts. Of course, instead of broth, you can use red wine if you use alcohol. I am also gonna add some water. Now I'm gonna cover them and try to reduce the sauce a little. I'm gonna turn them once or twice to make sure that they're well done. Remember, if you're using fat meat, you can cook the sauce separately after the burgers are done. Take them out and cook the sauce as I showed you with butter, beef broth or wine, tonkatsu sauce, ketchup, and some water. When you get the sauce thickness you desire, turn off the fire, pour the sauce into a dish, and that sauce, use it to pour it onto the burgers when you serve them. The hamburgers are done, so I'm going to take one and place it in a dish. I am going to pour some sauce on the top of it. Today's recipe of hamburger steak, Japanese style, it's ready. Serve it with a bed of grilled vegetables. And if you want to make it into a Japanese style meal, you can serve it with steamed rice, miso soup, and the salad. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will give this recipe a try. Bye!